Hello champions, Kwambie here. I have a quick question for you. Are you looking for a journal that will help you to increase productivity, achieve high performance, and reach your goals? Then our new Leadership Advancement Journal is the perfect journal for you. It comes with daily advancement keys, advancement scriptures, and gratitude sections. With our high quality paper and stylish design, you can use this journal to keep track of all your thoughts and ideas. It is perfect for planning, organizing, and goal setting, as it provides plenty of space to write down all the details needed to ensure that nothing gets overlooked. Its sturdy, soft, and beautiful hardcover make it durable enough to carry around on the go. So, why wait? So click the link, get it on Amazon.com today, and begin your new level of success journey today. Again, I am Kwambie, and I say to you, keep advancing.